Welcome back to our YouTube earning course. This is part 3 of this complete earning course, and today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of your YouTube journey, content creation. If you haven't watched the previous parts, make sure to check them out. They will help you set up your channel and get ready for the amazing content you're about to create. Let's start with understanding different types of videos on YouTube. First of all, we will start with the type of videos that are on YouTube so that you understand how to upload your content properly. Then we will get into the basics of creating your videos. You need to understand that being consistent with your content can make your channel reach the heights you want it to be on. First, let's talk about the featured video. This is the video that will be shown to your subscribers on your channel's homepage. It can be your most popular video or a video on a trending topic. This is your chance to showcase your best content to your audience. Make sure it's engaging and highlights what your channel is all about. Next, we have the trailer video. This is your channel trailer, a short video that introduces new viewers to your channel. For example, if you have a gaming channel, you want to include the games you play and some popular clips. Keep it around 1 minute long and make it exciting. Then there's the premiere video. This is a scheduled video that goes public at a specific time and date you set. Premieres are a great way to build anticipation and engage with your audience in real time. When the video goes live, you can chat with viewers as they watch the video for the first time and answer the questions they ask on the way. This makes your channel more engaging and people get attached to the channel. Lastly, we have short videos. These are 1-minute videos uploaded in portrait format. Shorts are fantastic for quick, engaging content and can help you reach a broader audience. They're perfect for tips, quick tutorials, or highlights. Next is planning your content. Now that we understand the different types of videos, let's move on to planning your content. Start by brainstorming ideas. Think about what your audience would love to see. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions to find popular topics in your niche. Next, create a content calendar. This helps you stay organized and ensures you have a steady stream of content. Plan out your videos at least a month in advance and mix different types of videos to keep your channel dynamic. Do thorough research on your topic. Ensure you provide accurate and valuable information. Look at what other creators are doing and find ways to add your unique twist. Then comes creating your content. Let's get into the actual content creation process. First, start with a script. Even if it's just a rough outline, having a script helps you stay on track and cover all the points you want to make. Then comes filming. When filming, ensure you have good lighting and clear audio. These are crucial for creating professional-looking videos. Use different camera angles to make your video more engaging. This part is exceptional if you're making a faceless channel. The final part is editing. Editing is where your content comes to life. Use transitions, effects, and music to enhance your video. Keep your editing style consistent to build a recognizable brand. I will explain about different free and paid video editors later in this course. The next part is the content of your video. These are the elements you need to include in your videos to make them interesting. Let's start. Number 1 is hook. Take an example of a fisherman. When he goes fishing, he uses his fishing hook to catch the fish. That is exactly what we will do in our videos. We will add a hook statement at the start of the video so that the public gets engaged with our video. The hook must be from 20 to 30 seconds long. Here are some tips on how to do so. First, start with a question. For example, do you want to grow your gaming career? Then, give a brief info about your topic. After that, give a little intro about yourself. For example, your name, your content type, etc. Lastly, be energetic at the start and hook your audience with your energy. Moving on to number 2, channel animation. After the hook, include your channel animation intro. I've made a video about it. You can watch that and make a channel intro animation for your channel. You can find the link in the description, or you can search on YouTube for free intro animations. Number 3, introduction. After the logo, move to the introduction of your video and the things you're going to do in the video. Start with your channel's introduction, and then welcome the audience with an energetic voice. Then give the recap of your last video, like what you did and what are you going to do further. Note, give a recap only if the videos are connected. Otherwise, you can just continue without it. Number 4, content. After that, start the video content, the things your video includes, and everything else. Give detailed info about your topic. Explain the topic in the best way you can, and make sure you do your best. Number 5, conclusion. Then sum up your video by showing the results or final words, etc. Conclude your video in 20 to 30 seconds. Number 6, precap. Give brief information about your next video, or you can skip this part if your videos aren't related. Number 7, closure. Add the outro for your video. Give the call to action. For example, like and subscribe, etc. Also, tell your viewers to comment on their reviews and suggestions in the comments and share the video. And lastly comes the final touches. Once you've made the video, the next part is to upload it to YouTube. But if you don't know how to make a video, don't worry. I will show that as well later in this course. To upload a video on YouTube, first head over to Creator Studio. After that, click this Create icon in the top right corner, and then click Upload Video. Then you'll see this menu. Click Select File, browse to the location where you saved your video, and click Open to add it. Now the video will start uploading and you'll be prompted with this interface. The first thing here is the title. I will explain how to add a title in detail later in this course. We will add a short title just for the time being. Next is a description. You'll see this description has already been added to the menu. This is the description we added in the Uploads default section. You can edit this according to the video's needs. I will also explain everything about the description later in this course. Next is a thumbnail. YouTube will auto-generate 3 thumbnails from your video. You can choose any one from these, or if you have verified your account, you'll see these other options. The first is custom upload. You can upload your custom thumbnail by using this feature. The second one is to test and compare. With this feature, you can upload 3 different thumbnails for the same video, and YouTube will show those thumbnails to people. After some time, it will tell you which thumbnail you should use in the video. I will explain how you can make thumbnails for your videos using AI and Canva later in this course, so stay tuned for that. Next is selecting a playlist. Playlists are helpful for new channels because viewers can find a specific type of content in one place. For example, if a viewer wants to see videos related to Filmora, they can simply go to your channel and open the Filmora playlist. You can add your video to the playlist by clicking on the playlist, and if you haven't already made a playlist, you can make one by clicking Create Playlist. Then add the name of the playlist and you can leave the visibility public for these. Next is audience. If you've made a video that suits kids, then you can tick the Made for Kids option, otherwise select Not Made for Kids. Next is paid promotion. If you're featuring a sponsor in the video, tick this option. If you're not, leave it unchecked. Next is the altered content option. If you've used an AI avatar of a real person in your video, you should tick this option to let YouTube know. Next, tick all these options. Next are tags. Tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Add them here. Next is selecting a category. Category is also very important because it helps people find your content. For example, if you select the gaming category and then add the game you're playing, now when a viewer searches for the game, your video will also be shown in the feed. Next are comments. Comments allow you to make your content better. If you enable comments, people will be able to point out mistakes in your content that you can improve over time. Make sure that the comments are set in the comment moderation to moderate, so inappropriate comments don't show in the comments section. You can change the comments setting for each video if you want. Moving to monetization. This feature will only be unlocked if you've monetized your account, otherwise it will not be shown. Turn the monetization on and select Next. Here you can select these options. If your video contains any of the following, select Otherwise, select none of the above, and click Submit Rating. Next is video elements. Here you can add cards, end screen, and subtitles to your video. I will show you how to add all 3 of them later in the course. Moving on to checks, check if your video is suitable for ads. If there's an error regarding ads in your video, it will be shown here. You can fix that by changing your video before making it public. If there's nothing wrong with the video, you can just click Next right away. Next is visibility. Here you can set the visibility of your video. You can set the video to private, unlisted, or public, or schedule it to go public later. If you choose public, you can set it as an instant premiere. Premiere is like an instant schedule. People can come and chat on your video. Once you're done with that, you can simply select Publish and your video will be public. And that's it for today's video on content creation. I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, creating great content takes time and effort, but with consistency and passion, you'll see amazing results. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about the next part of our YouTube earning course. In the next part, I will show you how to add the title, description, tags, etc. to your video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.